I'll be brief because much has been said, which is simply that we had to consult before the document was signed off on. That was made very, very clear. Now, the timing of that had to do with the dynamics of how the negotiations go. We had the meetings. I kept the committee informed that the leader and the party wanted to know what was in this final document or near final document. In fact, what we thought was a final document, changes were made to it so that the final document was shown to the leader on Thursday last week and to the party to have some kind of viewing of what was in it. It is being put about that we did not sign simply because the leader instructed us not to sign. We could not sign because we knew some of the positions in the document were contrary to long-standing PNP policy. Mm-hmm. The matter of the CCJ is a 1-2 matter for us because this has been a long-standing issue. I was involved in the executive of the party when the matter of the freedom, the rights, the Bill of Rights was discussed. The Charter of Rights was discussed. And important concessions were made by the People's National Party, again, in consideration that the CCJ, we could find common ground on the CCJ. And from then, and even before, we've been trying to find this common ground on the CCJ. And it was clear to us, and the minutes of the CRC meetings should be viewed by the public because those minutes will make very clear our consistent argument that we believe with dialogue, we may be able to find a solution to this problem. And therefore, as I said, one hand can't clap. Mm-hmm. And there was no other hand given to us in the CRC. Mm-hmm. And therefore, we knew we had issues. There are other issues, like the impeachment provision, that I knew were of concern, fundamental concern to the party, and that we couldn't sign it just so. So what is being interpreted, simply the matter was, we are saying we participated in good faith. We couldn't sign off because there are issues remaining to be resolved, and that the party must have its say on the document before we're able to sign. Great. We're not able to do that.